Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planner related video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way anytime I post a video, you will know. So it's time for my faith plan with me. The scripture writing plan that I picked for this month of July is kindness. Get started planning, enough talking. But we have been doing some things. I'm really starting to get my groove back with my planning and stuff. And wait, let me put my washi down first. My mom's like, you don't be playing washi? I'm like, she is so right. So that's how you can tell, because I forgot to lay it down first. And everything like that. I was like, this washi goes so well with the kit. I went and looked for it and found it in my little washi box. I was like, this is gonna match up really well with the kit. I think this is my only purple washi I own, if I'm not mistaken. So but I hope everyone's doing well, you know, and starting to try to feel some sense of normalcy. I know it's hard, but you know, God has us covered. We are his people, and he will not leave us nor forsake us. So I want to use this one. This is from May's kit, and just because it has bows on it also, I think it's perforated. Yep, it's perforated, so that's even better. Let me put that down. Every time I say, oh, I'm gonna stop getting Simply Gilded, she comes out with something even more fabulous, like the kit. So the kit and the washi was so nice. The bag that it came in, I was carrying it in my purse and use it just that. I said, girl, you have to switch this out, because you're only going to use this and then you're going to use it up and you're not going to have any more. But yeah, so I'm going to leave that like that for right now and see how I like it. Alright, so I'm going to lay these down. Michelle stickers are like butter, and you could get this kit with or without foil, so you know, it's a personal choice. And she has different foils to choose from also, so you know, if you like foil and certain color foils, she has a variety to accommodate everybody's taste. I really like that. But everything is really starting to come into order when it comes to my planning again. So I'm feeling really good about that. I think I want to put this right here. Let's see. I want to lay her bottom washi down because it is so pretty. I love this kit. This kit is really nice. Okay, so and 5 of you shall chase 100, and 100 of you shall put 10,000 to flight, and all your enemies shall fall before you by the sword. This is Leviticus 26:8. My God. Sisterhood one. I want to make sure I get it right here. Ooh. Child, what you doing? It bubbled up on me. Or I bubbled it. Sorry, somebody driving by with their noisy music. I remember last week I put these down, but I used Michelle's other stickers. This kit has it on. This sticker kit has it included. That's what makes it so great. I am my sister's keeper. Yes, I am. Uh-oh. I almost stuck that down wrong. Make sure I'm in frame. Like I told y'all, I'm in a I have a new setup, so sometimes I forget if you know about the new setup and where the camera should be. Let me see. I like this a lot. Oh, my church sticker. There's my church sticker. Put that right there. I bobbled that a little bit. Okay. It seems like when I want to do my video, that's when everybody's driving by. I'm facing the window now, so you hear the noise from outside even more, but that's okay. Doing all of this for the glory of God. Yes. Everything you do should be for the glory of this sticker kit. Is like butter. It's like just coming off so easily, coming up. I love a kit that is fixable like that, you know, because we tend and we could make a lot of mistakes, but you know, when you have a kit with this quality of sticker paper, I'm telling y'all, if y'all haven't shopped at her shop, what are you waiting for? I'm a PR for her. I have a code. I almost forgot to say. It's BEV20 to save 20% on any order that you make. Uh-oh. See how easy that came up for me to adjust it? I love that. I know I gotta fix this one too. Okay, so I want to put this here like a little mini schedule box and everything like that. I'm getting a just happy, but I could do that with these stickers, because the quality is off the chart. I'm telling you, this is phenomenal. So I have these headers. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna put them underneath all the dates so that maybe I could put the scripture in there. I'm just pulling this off. It's just easier for me to do it this way. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She has 8 of them. An extra one for you if you need it. I usually put this on the side of the date, but it's all right to switch up sometime. It feels so good to be finding my rhythm and my flow again of planning and everything. I'm super excited about that. So let me see what I'm. Oh, wait. I'll put it right here. No, I'll put it on the Monday side where my schedule notes will go. Look at that. I love it. I'm using every bit of this kit, every bit. Look how easy they pull up. And by the way, this is a oops kit, so you tell me where you see oops at. Nowhere. That's how good and how much pride she takes in her work. I'm just saying. Like, I'm just saying. So now, see, I used every sticker from the kit. This is I don't see any oops. I don't know what she oopsing about, but okay, Michelle. So now I'm gonna put the date dots down and everything. Yeah. So nice, so nice. And then you have some extra numbers left over if you may need them. So again, I'm using this scripture writing plan called kindness. I cannot wait to dive into this. And this is my completed spread. So if you made it this far and you enjoyed my video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly and the channel is She Loves Planners and Crafting. And I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.